Oh my goodness. We have a sauna in the basement. Welcome to the review. Today, you guys, we are doing a review of this portable pop-up sauna.
Yeah, you could literally take it camping with you.
Yeah, you could take it anywhere.
As long as it has power.
Fits 2 people. Kind of cool. This product was sent to us in return for our honest review. So Jamie has been playing with this. He set it up, said it was super easy to set up.
It's got a nice big door.
Yeah, and a little window. I'm going to look inside here and show you guys. It's got like metal poles in here, and they kind of clip together, and everything clips right on.
Oh, yeah,
it's got windows on the side, too.
It does have, yeah, because once you get in there and it's full steam, I mean, there's a reason why there's a remote and setting controls.
Right?
I mean, to get it up to temperature, maybe you can have it on the higher settings or whatever, but when you're in it, you can almost have it off.
Really?
I mean, it works really good.
So this right here is what's going to make the steam. There is 2 of these. So there's this on the outside and then this little piece on the inside, and there is one on each side. Yes. And you said there's a whole bunch of different settings?
It's just, nope, it's actually really easy. It's obviously on-off button.
On and off.
And then there's the timer up and down. It started at 45 minutes. I think it defaults to 45 minutes.
Okay.
But it also has the heat settings, and that's it. So you can crank it up to 9.
Okay.
It defaults to 8, because that's probably, 5.
Right.
About 5 minutes, and it'll be fully ready for a sauna.
Okay, and we have the door open while this is running, so it's going to take a minute longer.
Yeah, and you can kind of hear and you can see that it's...
and so this is... Can you pull that off there so we can show?
I can't hear. Let me... So it's got a click turn lid.
Oh, okay,
and then,
all right.
see, there's the steam.
Ooh, okay.
And that gets...
Right.
That gets pumped.
And that's got a nice seal on it.
That gets pumped through the hose and right into the box.
Right into here.
So, kind of makes sense.
So should we zipper it closed so we can
Yeah,
fill it up with steam?
It would definitely
oh, it's got pockets in here?
Yep.
Oh, pockets.
You don't want to bring your cell phone in there.
I would not bring your cell phone in there.
But maybe...
Might be a little moist for that.
Yeah, maybe some, I don't know, goggles.
Yeah, maybe, I don't know. Maybe a drink. You could put a drink in there. A hot one, because you wouldn't want a cold one in there.
Right.
Okay, so that's the big door on the front.
And it's crazy because it makes our 70-degree basement feel like it's 20 degrees out as soon as you come out of it.
Really?
Yeah, it's like, oh my god, it's freezing out here.
Yeah, Jamie's used it a couple of times, so...
Yeah, I've been a little under the weather, so it's actually helped.
That's what, yeah, I was reading that these are really good if you have chest congestion.
Yeah.
Which we both do, if you can't tell by listening to us. We both do, full disclosure.
Yeah.
But this is supposed to help with that.
It's been actually really nice. So we'll give it 5 minutes or so. Or
okay,
whatever.
we're going to give it 5 minutes to fill up and then show you guys. So while we're waiting the 5 minutes, this is the remote that Jamie was talking about. So you can control the power, the heat level, and the timer, which is kind of nice. Or you could put this in the pocket in there.
Yeah,
so that you have that.
You would definitely want that with you.
And then it also comes with these descaling agents and some scrubbers so that you can clean this. This is something you're going to want to wipe down after every use because it is going to get wet inside of there.
And we brought our little, our fan, so I just set the fan in there and I just let it blow.
Yeah, and let it dry.
Yep,
okay.
So that helps dry it out.
All right, and then you can wipe it all down, and then again, this is for cleaning and things like that. What's going on in there? That window got all steamy. You could see the steam in the window. Yeah. That's kind of cool.
And that shows up on camera too, right?
Oh yeah, yeah. You can definitely tell that there's steam on that window. It looks frosted now.
Oh yeah, sure does.
All right.
I'm just gonna open the window.
Open it and show everybody.
Did the moisture collect on it?
Yeah, it did.
Oh my gosh. It's the same color as the glass in there, so I'm just gonna open it up and just.
Holy cow!
Isn't that crazy?
Oh my goodness.
It's all coming out.
Oh, it feels so warm. You can go ahead and close it back up if you want to.
I mean, it is really...
That is so cool.
That's quite a bit.
So the only reason we're not sitting inside to film it from the inside and do all that is, of course, we don't want to have the phone in there. But the other thing is we don't want this video to be suppressed. That is so cool.
That's a constant amount of mist.
Yeah. And like I said, Jamie has been using this. I haven't used it yet. I might use it today. Jamie has been using this. So, honest review. Do you love it?
Oh, it's pretty nice.
I mean, you always
for-
talk about the sauna with the wood in Canada, so.
It's definitely not as comfortable.
Right.
But, you know...
But you could get different chairs.
You could get different chairs, and I thought about that, too, and I was thinking about that, and I'm like, you know, a real sauna isn't really that comfortable either.
Right.
Because they're usually a wooden slat.
Right.
Sometimes, you know, it's just not...
So the one downfall is the chairs aren't super comfortable.
Right, which you could upgrade.
But you could upgrade the chairs if you wanted to. And two, you don't really want to sit in it for way too long anyway, so.
I think the best thing is its portability.
Its portability is so. We could
here,
take this outside and put it next to the pool.
You could, absolutely.
Yeah.
Yep. And then look, it is still.
It is pretty cool. This is pretty cool. Pretty cool. So in conclusion, this is a win. Highly recommended. We will be using this quite a bit, actually. You know, it's wintertime here especially. And then in the summertime, like I said, we'll take it and put it out next to the pool. So if you've been looking to get a sauna, check this out. It's a little portable sauna, super easy to use, super easy to set up, super easy to move around. And look at it. It works great. Oh, you're going to do it?
That is pretty amazing.
Whew, there you go. We recommend this.